my pride. I'm gonna fall into lies. Oh, nice, don't fall and die. Triple now, oh no. Triple now, oh no. Triple now, oh no. Triple now, oh no.
Hey Chad, what is going on, baby? I think you guys, look at the chat, you guys are a little bit heated here after NFP. Again,
Sorry, just to say sorry, Chad. We had a lot of guys on this PC. There was 2 Zoom calls being done. Everything was broken. We had to just unplug, restart everything. So apologies for that. Nothing was working.
yeah, we're going to talk about everything very, very shortly, what happened. Some guys losing NFP, others going break even. Probably the most non-event of the year. But we're going to see what happens. Again, very big, I want to say the release, even though it was a non-event, the numbers came out were quite massive. But we're going to chat a little bit about all of that stuff. Obviously, we are running a little bit late here, so we'll start chatting them. But before we get into any good stuff, Chris, will you just open us up with some prayer, brother?
I will. All right, chat. Let's get ready. Father, thank you for another week. Thank you for another day. Thank you for taking us through this week. We pray for insight, we pray for guidance, and we pray for your protection over the weekend to bring all of us back safely on Monday. And we thank you in advance for awesome week. And we pray that you will be with our businesses, our families, our friends, our communities, our country. And we put it in your hand, and we thank you for your grace and your mercy, that it's new every single day. Chad, and if you believe that, you can drop amen right now. Amen. Beautiful.
There we have it, Chad. So again, let's get right into it. It's going to be a little bit quicker to make sure we're on time for you guys. So starting off with the fundamental chat, obviously the big one, NFP, guys. I can't even tell you when last I see a number like that. 12. Keep in mind, we were at 223 last month. We did expect a 106. The minimum was a 70, and we came out at 12. That is absolutely crazy, guys. If you even drop down quickly and you look at that, like, I don't think we've ever in history had a number like that.
We've had negatives during
that is true.
Cocodona,
that is true, yes.
But I mean,
how long ago it's been since we've had that?
Coming from that strong ADP, coming from that strong previous number to a 12.
Yeah.
That surprised everybody.
Very, very insane number. I think that definitely is a big difference there. I mean, yeah, absolutely crazy, guys. Unemployment rate going unchanged, which again isn't a bad thing, but it is for the dollar. And then again, this actually being good. So you have a little bit of dollar strength at the end, but this just throwing it absolutely upside down. So very, very crazy number. But I think obviously we still got PMI now coming out at 4 o'clock. PMI's coming out at 4, bro. We said, guys, the next 3 weeks is going to be a roller coaster for the dollar. It's going to be dangerous, but I think we're going to get some massive moves. And then also finishing off the last time, we're going to be trading this time as next week. We start daylight savings on Sunday, so New York sessions will be moved on to 4 o'clock. So going to start getting late into the day. Yeah, we're going to have some sundowners while we trade, but going to be good, guys. So let's start running it. Let's see what we can expect. So DXY, when we look at it, we said we were bullish with a neutral outlook. Very, very simple. If you guys were here from Monday, we told you guys, if this was tested, had the retest, failing that level of support, turning resistance, it's a clear thing. If you are in a range, you failed at the highs, you are going to the bottom of the range. Simple as that. We've now had that trade down to the bottom. Again, massive candle, obviously coming in with the news. So very simple, a little bit of a gap. News-induced candles, you guys know how I feel about that. If you haven't been around, you're missing out, or you just simply are not paying attention. But turning around, we want to see this go up to literally wick out the news-induced candle and possibly hit that weekly pivot, because then you also close that gap. So definitely going into the session, we're going to start seeing that bullish dollar make a bit of a comeback here. But I wouldn't be surprised seeing bearish momentum coming afterwards because of how bad that NFP number was. Going over to NASDAQ, pretty much the same thing, guys. We've been neutral. We said it was going to park the bus around that 20,000 level. We thought the news is going to bring it around, but when we look at how bad that number is, I do think indices are going to feel this a lot more than everything else. So we are holding this level. We are finding resistance there. If this turns around, yes, there's no top wick on that 4 hour, but very, very simple. If we hold under here, Asia lows are untested. If we hold under this and we open up bearish into this market, taking those previous weekly lows, I really think we go in Asia lows and even further down for NASDAQ. US 30, we're going to look at something very, very similar. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but the cracker is looking for some sells, which again, I like a lot, so I don't mind that. On the day, we went bearish. We said we want to see the move back to the top side for the EQ, testing that level, holding support, now turned resistance. Also testing on the backside, the yearly R2, and now having that move with a very bad number there. I really like this. Simply, if you see this on the 4 hour, big bearish momentum, natural pullback. Now the idea of Asia lows untested. Again, once you're back under this EQ, again, almost a mixture of fundamentals, technicals, the grabber kick, all of our favorite things come together. So if we can see this get under the EQ, I definitely can see a nice bearish move coming in here on US 30, but we're going to see what happens there. And then lastly, with gold, again, seeing that big push to the top side. We said we were going to be bullish, but we did say how tricky things could get. On the daily, back at that previous, for the start of the week's all-time high. Again, very, very strong level. We can see how it tested, held, big breakaway, big break underneath. If it fails, yeah, very same thing, coming all the way back down. But when we talk of what those numbers were, this is the 200. It's very simple. If gold holds above this previous all-time high, previous weekly high, and can get back above the EQ and the 200, I think very simply those bars are on. Otherwise, if this does go back here, I'm only going to say underneath this range, I'll start looking for the sells over there. But definitely am leaning more to the bars for gold. But that's everything from my side. Chris, what you looking at, brother?
No, I'm looking at the same. I'm not gonna chat. Is nothing else I'm looking at. It is the start of the new month, and that print at 12k. That is honestly, I don't think anyone planned for 12. Like the numbers we're looking at, like low end 75 would have been a surprise to the downside. 100k would have been more or less expected. Majority expecting like a 140k 12. I don't think it's like the guys are like, what is happening here? I do like the sells on US 30. So purely cracker here this afternoon.
There we go, guys. There you have it. It is Friday. I think you guys know what that means. And again, you know what we want to see the cracker do here today. So going to be a little bit of pressure, but I think we can bring it home. Now, Chad, onto a little bit of admin. It's always some fun and games, but I just want to make it very clear, we do not condone any Chad on Chad violence. That behavior will not be tolerated as long as it's friendly and as long as it's banter. That is absolutely okay. But if we feel it starts getting a bit out of line, we will have to start intervening there.
Wait, what's happening here? Is the chat going?
I'm just saying, guys, again, I'm not jumping. I'm just saying if it is banter, more than fun. But if someone starts getting a bit out of hand, we will get involved on it. No Chad on Chad violence.
Never.
That's just say boys will be boys, and as long as it's banter, there's nothing wrong with that.
Chad, it's crazy that some of you say the discount code does not work, and then in the same sentence, a lot of you say it does work.
Bro, but the thing is, literally even on my side, like I promise you, I can't even access it, bro.
And you go new challenge, bro. I'm literally here, and I'm putting it in again.
Bro, do you want to come see you on my side? I promise you, it doesn't work even on my side.
Wait, Chad. Shit, I'm gonna be doxing myself here with my address. Let's quickly check here. Okay. Have a discount code. Bro, they literally, Chad, I don't know what to, Let me just do this without doxing myself. There again, I went on now and I put
Always see something.
there even a TUT,
Uh-uh.
2Gs.
Bro, you
So-
when you come look at it, you can see like it literally doesn't work. Like I'm not
Okay, wait,
saying
wait,
like
I'm gonna-
it does
I'm
work
gonna
for
come
you,
around.
but for some guys it works, some guys it doesn't, and it is just very weird, Chad. Like to try to figure this out.
Because the tech team can't recreate the issue that
Yeah, check, bro. So it is happening what the guys are saying, yeah. So everything there, MT5, whether I don't know that needs to be on or what. Either way, everything's ticked.
Go down.
You see,
Will you go incognito?
there, third one.
Okay, quickly go there.
Chad and we are watching the time, so we will be in time. We're just trying to obviously make this work for you guys. I'll just click there. Should. Just so Chris can see obviously what it's coming up with.
You go in there, new
Yeah,
challenge,
new challenge.
spot challenge. Challenge balance, Bro, so crazy.
You see.
Yo, that's so weird.
And I did, even when I did try my phone as well, it does the same thing.
Keith, sorry, man. Screenshot that little section at the bottom.
Yeah.
Just send it to Taryn.
So I'm literally, as I said, we are watching the time here. We're just trying to get this done here for you guys. Because obviously it is getting close to TUT Season 2 starting. And guys are obviously trying to purchase their accounts and...
Okay, the tech team info is everything.
So must I still snip it?
No.
Okay.
Got it.
Alright, there we go guys, and just in time. We're ready to go. Chris, just check on your side, confirm for me the cracker.
Looking for buys. There's a buy.
By itself.
I'm messing with you. In some part of the world, that will indicate buy. How do you feel about the cells?
I like them, bro. I do like them. I think this year, for me, if I look at USD right now, they're the LER too. If we get above this, I think we're in trouble. If we stay under it, I think we're good.
But also look now. The pip. We haven't nipped the pip.
Yeah.
That's what I like. That's why, yeah. Nip the pip.
horn, brother.
Oh, the warn. This could be a quickie. Ooh.
So we hope you're ready, guys. Hope you are locked in for this one. Oof. It's gonna be. Could be a quick haircut jet today, guys.
Could be spicy.
Peter, he still does it, bro. He still does that soundboard.
Does Peter want it?
Alright, guys. For the last time this week, round 10. The markets are open. Ding, 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 ding. Fight. Let's lock it in here, Chad.
Cells it will be. Thou shalt not sell in a bull market. Bro, the cracker is more volatile than an NFP.
It's a bit crazy when you think about that, actually.
Dude.
Let's see you guys.
Whoa. Last one.
Chad, we are not in yet.
Kigo Speedo.
No executions. We are holding under that yearly R2, which I am liking.
Bro, this price feed is lagging again.
Ooh. This thing must have just tanked now. Give us a time. Give us a chance. It is lagging because our terminal, we can't see it. So it's actually a very nice area because we just only watch those wicks.
Yeah, I've marked it out for me now manually.
But yeah, nothing yet, guys. Nothing yet. Patience.
Oof. Just and I've got a pee, eh? Damn.
Chad, I'm not in.
Maybe I was thinking what we can do is kicks mark
Yeah.
out 2 zones and show the guy, or not, show yourself with those lines on the chart. If a 1 minute closes above or below, that's where we sell. You hear what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So that's what I've done here, because then you know. Otherwise, the guy, I don't want to say the guys, but
It's
getting close. Oof. If it closes like this, we have to execute. Feeling cute, might execute.
Bum, 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 bum.
3. Oh,
Uh-uh.
just, oh, yeah, in.
In. Chad, we are in.
Ooh, let me pull those stops. This is one of those days where bad news is good news for equities, because the Fed's going to be loose with the policy. This is one of those days, Keegs.
Let's not go with that, bro.
Now, I'm just saying, bad data is good data for the economy.
Chad, obviously off the rip, I'm not liking that. As I said, if we stayed above that yearly R2, I don't like that. But now it's see what the cracker does. It is a nice level of resistance we have marked out there, but again, I think that yearly R2 is going to be the main driving force there.
Yeah, and it's holding about the 200. Oh, come now, cracker. Come now, cracker. Don't spoil the weekend for everybody.
What level is that?
That's the
Previous weekly low.
Yeah.
Oof. I feel like that's going to be
That's
like a
the
last stand.
That's the last line.
If
That's the
that
last line.
gives, it's done. It's done if that line gives.
Bro, but that data was so bad, but the thing is, it's mixed data. Your
Yeah, it is
unemployment,
mixed.
your unemployment remained the same. Your average hourly earnings. So it's almost like a case of, do the guys think, all right, we still added jobs. We didn't take jobs away
100%.
after the hurricane.
100%.
Almost out. Can I hold on? Still in. Chip in a chair, baby. Well, this thing. Yeah, this is the last line, dude. If the Bears don't take this,
Yeah, that previous
it
week
can
ago,
get
100%
saucy.
is
It can get saucy. It can get very saucy real quickly. Oh, there it's going for us. Come on.
You know the thing is, as much
Well,
as we spoke about the Nuggets being tested, there obviously is that other side of it where we were talking about the V3 play.
Oh,
Remember?
Yeah. That's mechanical, bro. You gotta take it.
No, you have to, bro. You have to.
If this thing turns around and it's TP. Epic. That's big ifs. But the question is, would you buy it? Yeah.
No.
That's always what I ask myself. Like, I'm in the cell now. Is there anything that wants me to buy
To
at
buy
this
it, yeah.
level? That's always that devil's advocate play I play in my head. Like, what is the idea for a buy? What is the idea for a sell?
Yeah.
It wants to take us. That took me.
I'm out. That's it, Chad.
4 out of 5.
And it looks, once again, the cracker can't go 5 for 5. Bro,
4 out of 5.
I wonder what it is, bro. Like, it just
Our
can't.
best week was 4. No, sorry. Our best week was 4 out of 5, but with a break even in it.
No, but we had 4 out of 5 wins.
No. But the fifth one wasn't a loss. It was a break even.
Oh, I get what you're
So it
saying.
was
I get
4.
what
So
you're saying.
so 4R is the best.
I get what you're saying. Yeah. As you say, guys, from there, yearly R2, we said if that held, we were not going to like that one at all. But it's a mechanical strat. You follow it. At the end of the day, you can't go cry about it. One loss. We've had 4 wins this week. So absolutely no problem with that. Hey, Michaela, if you took the buy, awesome stuff.
So you got that 200, dude.
Yeah.
1 minute 200. Beastly.
After the 1 minute retest, yeah. No, I think then it was solid.
Beastly.
Did you guys take a news trade keys? Brian, we did. I mean, non-event. We actually got out basically break even on the trade. So it's literally a non-event. We traded US30 for the news. So the guys that were in it, it sparked up like 10, 15 pips. And then dropped 20 pips. Closed out, and that was it.
Let's check.
Yeah, that's it, guys.
That is the week.
That's the cracker. What else is Nasdaq also trying to fight back? All right.
Very choppy. Nasdaq.
4 to 5 is good, boys. Well done for the week. That is on 100%. Yeah, that's a good result. I think we want that 1 week, that 100% week.
Hey, Plamena, ouchie, ouchie. Is it too late to jump in? No, it's never too late, my brother. It just depends on where are you jumping in. Yes, dude, I am chalked this week.
Long in it now, thanks.
Ooh, Mo, is this?
Yeah. You got PMI 19 minutes. Yeah.
I love how excited Chris gets when Plamena shows up. Hey, Amina. We just love that energy. Plamena is a little feisty one.
Hey. Yo, guys, I think it's going to get...
feisty one.
It's going to get interesting now. That PMI number with everything else that's happened, I think that's going to... It's going to be interesting.
Damn.
PMI is going to still make this very interesting.
I'm personally done for the week. Are you still going to take a trade?
Nah, bro.
I'm done for the week.
That's me.
I am.
As you can see, he's a bit tired, guys.
Yo, Chad, I don't know why. I don't know why. Dude, a 12K number. Yo, US30 is a little disjointed. I'm not gonna lie. I wouldn't be, you know what, Chad, I wouldn't be surprised if before the end of today, US30 being down like 1%. Because think about this. Some profit taking before the elections on Tuesday. Tuesday is going to be a bank holiday. Monday, let's say you can make some moves. First day of the month. Do you think the boys are going to hold some risk into that election? And then you've got FOMC next week. Okay, but FOMC is a given. Fed futures, literally 98.8. So that's November 7th given. December 18th starting to... Yeah, that's also given 0.25, 80% there. Jan is now tilted towards another 0.25. Remember, that's the one that was balanced. And March is still pricing in a hold. Michaela, it's going to be via email. You guys are getting a full schedule on Monday. I've just had my best ever trading week thanks to the G's. Our last beautiful, my brother. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I have one left in the chamber here, going for 350. Michael Sampson is not holding back. Good luck, my brother. Hope you smash that 350. Champ, it's going good. So from next week, putting 200k, I think it's just over $10,000. So I'll be trading that live on the terminal here. You guys will actually see the terminal. So from next week, starting the part-time trader to full-time trader. So we will... Oh, Darshan Moodley, young donor there, Keegs.
Hey,
Darshan. Darshan, thank you so much, my brother. Darshan, yeah, is a legend. So, yeah, champ, you guys will be able to see that from next week. And then hopefully that video will drop close to the end of the week. And just going to be a little bit of a series up until the end of the year. That's the only thing with content. Sometimes you just run out of ideas of what to do, what to post.
No, definitely, bro.
Kings, but I'm thinking for content next year, getting the M3, and then every day I just post videos where I walk around it and I stand on it, and just post that every day.
You'll make money, bro.
What do you rate? Sitting in the boot, laying on the bonnet.
I promise you, bro. You're my bags.
Armand, that you... No, so we will... Please just chat. Make a note here. If you're still struggling, the guys are busy sorting that out. But if you are struggling, please just email support stating that you do wish to enter TUT. You still have till Sunday, Armand. Just stating that you had some difficulties. And then we'll sort it out. So don't stress if you... Okay. Armand, that support email you back. Please let me know. That support at vaultfunder.trade email you back. And when did you email? Just let me know quickly that they email you back. You can, Tabang. You can. Previous weekly load, Chexy. Okay, let me just quickly ask support. Why do we pay them? Just hold on.
I will email back within 5 minutes. I'm on the same issue that my support. They've been responding promptly all day to me.
Armand. Okay, Armand. I physically went to go check with support now. No email, my brother. Yeah, that's why I said if you have to physically go onto your email, type in support at vaultfunder.trade. But yeah, 50cal, I got an email back within 5 minutes. Okay, there you go. So Armand, just check, my brother.
TUT is the ultimate trader.
So Armand, I think you might have emailed the wrong. Thanks, Rax. PMI.
Wait, what? How do you expect the one mentor to dedicate 6 weeks to the ultimate trader if you can't even do as he is promising in his own academy? Who are you talking about?
Ooh. Petrus Pochenpoel. Petrus Pochenpoel is busy throwing some shade here. Petrus, praat dat ons hoorie, my vriend.
Tell us what happened.
Obviously, Petrus Pochenpoel opened up this account yesterday, but let's hear what Petrus Pochenpoel said. Ooh, Petrus Pochenpoel, Mr. Carl James. Ooh. Petrus,
What did he promise in his academy?
Petrus, praat, laat ons hoor, laat ons meneer Carl James bietjie kan vasvat. Shots fired. Shots fired. Chad, look, I don't mind if somebody says something, but like the first thing I do is I go to that username, and that Petrus Pochenpoel, that account was created yesterday. So obviously it's somebody that specifically open up a YouTube account to come and fire some shots here. But let's hear Petrus shoot us with some facts here. Drop the sauce. Drop the sauce.
I'm worried about that Dick's guy. I heard he's a scammer. Men was trying to take each other out.
3 breakdowns a week only get on average a week.
Wait, what? 3 breakdowns a week only get on average a week.
But what is it that you're paying for though? That's the Chad. Okay, so 2 things for me quickly. If somebody's got an academy or some type of service, a lot of times what people don't realize is you got to make sure what you're paying for. What is it that you're going to get? And if the person said, hey, Mr. Pochenpoel, you will get 10 breakdowns, 2 a day, and you only get 2, then obviously he's not providing the service. But if he doesn't state how many, it's difficult. It's difficult. Two, sorry, okay. So Petrus, you got to go back and clearly go and look at what this promised service looks like. Was it?
So Beatrice, my only problem is he gave you a breakdown on Monday, he gave you a breakdown on Wednesday, he gave you an NFP week update on Thursday, he gave you a revamped NFP breakdown today. Because I'm in his academy.
Armand, beautiful.
So again, like what Chris is saying, I get you, but that's 4 breakdowns in 5 days in a week. And keep in mind, he's not a signals provider. He does education. He's teaching you to trade and then just assisting where they can.
Mr. Pochenpoel, is that your final answer? Are you saying that Carl James plays too much golf and he should actually be trading live with his mentors?
Because again, guys, I'm not trying to defend the guy. It's more just, I mean, if you got to have that neutral outlook in a position. And yeah, the fact I can look at it. The same as Chris and myself. We do 1 weekly breakdown with our members. And that's a weekly breakdown for the week.
Mr. Pochenpoel, is that your final answer? Are you saying Mr. Carl James LLC is a scam? Yes, too much golf. But here's the thing. What if Carl James does breakdowns while he's playing golf? That is lifestyle trading. Would you be happy if he does breakdowns? No, Chad, listen here, that's the thing with the service. Some people, let's say for instance, that is not what Beatrice needs. Maybe Beatrice opted for the wrong service or the wrong academy. That's why you need to make sure that what you pay for is actually what you need. So I cannot comment on his service. I cannot comment on what's in it. I've never seen it. But at the end of the day, it's a case of, if you're looking for signals, then maybe Carl James is not the way to go. If you're looking for education, maybe if you're looking for some golfing advice, definitely man plays good golf. So it's all about what you're looking for. Beautiful, Rian.
So you're saying this is me, I have to run. Hey, enjoy it, Rian.
It's the RV Forster.
Got 4 minutes to see what this PMI is going to come out as.
Wait, who's talking about 100-0 split here?
What? Who's this now?
No, Tabang, it's the 20s to go from, the 20% is to go from a 80-20 to a 90-10 split. Yeah, Petrus Pochenpoel, these streams are free. We do a breakdown for you 10 times a week, and you don't even have to pay for it. The only way you're paying for this is if you drop a like on the stream. So you can join here Monday to Friday. You get a breakdown during London, get a breakdown during New York. So yeah, here's some free 99. I think that could quench that need for breakdowns. Gigs, we technically do 10 breakdowns a week.
Yeah, because we stream.
Twice a day.
Yeah. But again, bro, that comes down to the service, like you were saying. Are you there to, for example, if I paid for a trading strategy, the trading strategy doesn't mean you're going to hold my hand every day. You have the material, you go learn the material.
Dude, but I'm going to be honest with you. I would challenge any mentor. If you're saying that your income comes from trading and you trade for a living, why not trade live with the guys every day? Because it's your life. That's what you do. Why can't you sit on a daily basis?
No. I 100% get where you're coming from there. Because there is other mentors, I know, like what you're saying, like, I mean, for example, Miles is perfect. He's always did it. Yes, he didn't do it on YouTube,
but he always traded with this,
to his members.
So I'm saying personally, and I'm not attacking any mentor out there, all I'm saying is, if you are honestly trading and making money from trading, why not do it live? Why not jump on a stream? Even if you don't want to talk, just say, hey guys, I'm going to share my screen. Here's my terminal. I'm going into the session. Boom. Simple. And don't tell me cuck of like, oh no, I sometimes enter at midnight and I trade obscure hours of the day. Don't come with that cuck. If you come and chat that cuck to me, I'll be like, dude, no, stop it.
Bro, but even then, to be fair, hey, like I know other guys, one of the guys that's meant to be a guest, he trades late. He trades New York session. So he only starts trading now from like 4 and he trades to like 9 o'clock at night.
Does he trade with his members?
With his members.
There you go. But I mean, it's not like the excuse is, I can't live stream because...
No, I get what you're saying. But like, it's at the end of the day, for example, that is trading. Trading is not this quick thing. So even if the mental's there, like you come hop on, if you have to get off, you get off, come back later. Yeah. Like if he's streaming, if he's trading, he's trading. Because we always just say about it. That's all, guys. End of the day, this goes back to like when Chris and I like we decided to start this was because, like you're saying, irrelevant if there was a camera on here or not, we were going to be sitting here trading. Now it's like, okay, just trade and put a camera on you. Like that's literally it. But we got some plans for that in the future. PMI out. Hey, what did it come out as?
Chad, I'm gonna be honest with you. For me,
Oof, bro,
that
even PMI was
yeah,
also
it's
flat.
bad.
Oof.
For me, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. The guys need to show you how to fish. It is as simple as that. They need to be in the water with you. They need to put on some bait on their hook. They need to fish with you. They can't be like, oh bro, you need to be hungry for this thing, dog. You need to be hungry. Keeks, want to see you hungry
Right, but
for
also,
the trading.
Okay, this could be a bit of stir in the pot now. But guys, I'm sorry.
Let's go.
If again you say you make your numbers and your money from trading, but it's more from marketing, and it's more from your membership sales, and it's more from your signal sales, can you guys realize when all these guys played the clout game, making public statements they were closing down, and a week later all of them are trading again? And now was the thing of celebrate the grand reopening of the company. Come trade with us again. We back, baby. Like if Oaks don't see through that shit.
Yeah,
Bro.
Tepo, here's my thing. That's even more now reason. Because secondly, if they can't get registered and they can't even take the effort to go and write the RE exam, register FSP, do all of that, then your mentor's not worth his salt. Alright? I'm writing, I already have my RE5, I'm writing my RE1 on the 10th of December. And so yeah. Now I think especially now with the FSCA thing, there needs to be proof of concept. There needs to be proof of concept. You need to say, okay, shit, you teaching me this. Show me proof of concept. I want to sit with you for a month. Show me how you do it. I want to see. I want to look over your shoulder. Show me how you do it. How much is his academy?
Carl's. Yo, bro. I don't know what it is now. I don't know if the price has gone up.
How much is it?
Bro, I think at a stage it was 16,000. That's lifetime.
Nah, bro. But okay, so we'll chat to Carl James. He needs to.
Hold on. I'm gonna check for you right now, guys. I'll give you a valid answer. I don't want to talk shit, yeah. I don't want to talk crap. Let me give you guys a real. Let me literally check, yeah. It's 7.5 now. Okay, 7.5.
Oh, that's not bad.
7.5.
That's not bad.
I just say, guys, I know something was in my head and told me
That's
something
not
else. So my apologies. That's why I said let me rather confirm 7.5.
Yeah, that's not bad. Okay. Now for 7.5, you at least need to have logins to his banking app and his income tax number. Otherwise, can't. And you need to know his address. For 7.5. All right, nothing less. We just made these live streams free. Otherwise, you're gonna see in our banking app how much we owe the bank. We don't want you to see. What do you guys think about Trunik? I don't think anything about him, brother. I don't think anything. All I know is he should get a grill. You see that Afrikaans meme when it's like, Hey julle, ek wil julle net wys, jy het nie 'n rooster nodig nie. And then he threw the piece of steak on the coals. And that Afrikaans guy came back, he's like, nee, kry 'n fucking rooster. Kry 'n rooster. Nee, jy gaan ons niks wys nie. Kry 'n rooster. Oh.
What do you got? Okay, guys, we got to turn this into a whole shit on mentors Fridays.
Hackies, kry 'n rooster.
Yeah.
Chad, don't worry. Listen, yeah. I can promise you that the FSCA is going to do their due diligence. So don't worry. FSCA, SARS, they are, don't worry, Chad. The big boys are here. FSCA, SARS, don't stress. Don't stress. Things are going to, here's the thing with the FSCA. They shake the pot a little bit and then they just leave it just for the waves to settle, and everyone thinks, oh no, the FSCA, and while you think the waters are calming, they are busy, and then all of a sudden FSCA open up.
James, my question here was missed, but how regularly do you plan on doing the Ultimate Trader? Because I won't be able to join this round, but I definitely want to in the future. Definitely will be around a few times. I mean, we did season 1, this is season 2. We'll probably look at it, season 3 would probably be like the first quarter of next year.
No, say start of the second quarter.
Start of the second?
Yeah.
Okay,
no, not
start
the
of the
first.
second.
Yeah, not the first.
Well, I was saying like to the end of the first. I don't want to give dates here, but end of the first. But okay, start of the second.
Yeah, they're like SARS. They're just going to let the guys do what they do. But I don't think the FSCA was joking when they said they're going to do what they're going to do. So you'll still see. Chad, I promise you. Give the FSCA their time. They are going to come back.
They came in for blood there, bro.
And it's going to be like that Limp Bizkit song. Rolling, 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 rolling. That's what's going to happen to heads. It will be rolling. Kings, I think we can call it, bro.
I'm happy, bro. I'm not trading anything else, guys.
No,
those numbers are. No, I'm bro. I'm literally the same. I don't have anything else. I don't have the cracker open. I don't have anything. No, guys, we can call it. Honestly, just NFP, massive thing. The PMI, just mixed market. So I'm not gonna try to force anything. So yeah, we can go full screen if you're ready, brother.
Garth, they are busy with it. Sorry, I just want to chat to Garth. The tech team is busy. It seems like it's only select clients that's struggling. I don't know if it's to do something with the IP or whatever, but even in this office, like if we go through all 5, 6, 7 PCs, 3 will be able to and 1 won't and 2 won't.
That's weird.
But Chris, do you think Trunique is a scam though? Zander, here's my thing though. If something like that is working, why do you have to do these extreme giveaways? Why do you need to constantly sell me on the idea?
If
your
it
members,
works, you can just do it and make money with it.
Yeah, make your own money with it and get your members. Get people that have used it. Go phone 20 people that have used it, 30 people. Open up a forum stating, hey guys, here's 30 of our people. Here's 100 people that's got the bot. Come post your results here publicly. Why tell the people, hey julle, wen die bakkie, koop my robot en as in die werkie, het jy maar net R8,000 verloor. Dis nie so erg nie. Maar daarom kan ek nog 'n bakkie koop as ek 300 van daai 8,000 maak. Maar anyways. I must just chill, bro. As soon as somebody starts selling that hard, Kiggs, what is your feeling? When somebody starts selling and hey julle,
Like,
Koop die bot nou vir 50% af.
yeah. Like, bro, these guys, these oaks.
Look, I don't have I don't have an issue with the guy.
He's hustling, but again, let's just realize why he's hustling, because the bot doesn't do what he says it would do. Otherwise, he wouldn't need to hustle.
All I'm saying is he's not my cup of tea. He's not the guy. I'm not gonna phone him and be like, hey buddy, kom ons gaan vir 'n ete of wat ook al. Like, nah, Chad is not my.
That's it.
Like our circle of people is it's different. But anyways.
Hey. But yeah, guys, I think at the end of the day, you know what? The NFP break-even day, and again, the cracker just not able to go 5 for 5. But we'll keep on trying. We're going to keep on pushing. But again, still a good week. 4 out of 5 wins. London, you guys were there. So I think we finished 10 out of 12. 10 out of 12. That is a very, very good week, guys. Nothing wrong with that. So we're going to see you guys Monday. Keep in mind, guys, from Monday, we are in full on daylight savings. So London already is later. New York will only be starting at 4 o'clock on Monday. So have that cup of coffee there with you, ready to go. And let's lock in. Definitely going to be interested to see what the cracker is going to do in daylight savings. That's going to be a first for us. Shouldn't make a difference, but who knows. But other than that, guys, as always, take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Peace and love, baby.
Hey Keegan, gaan julle ons bot koop? Let's do a collab with Tronique. Hey guys, ek het hier vir Keegan van Dijk en Crizzle en hulle het die bot getoets en hulle sê hierdie bot is fake.
Fucking kak.
Hierdie bot is net 'n absolute masjien. Guys, hoekom mis julle nog uit? Hierdie bot is absoluut fantasties. Ek kan nie ophou praat oor hierdie bot nie. Hierdie bot Keegan verkoop homself. Die results praat vir homself. Mic check, ek's uit boys. Ek is uit. Sien julle volgende week. Bro, let's do a collab with him. Maar voor ek gaan julle, ek wil net vir julle sê, julle almal is legends, baby. Julle moet 'n lekker naweek hê. En I bot werk nie.
Just Chad.
need to rebuild myself.